Are you looking for the top 5 best self-threading sewing machines? When you search for self-threading sewing machines, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to understand what actually works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Brother CS5055. The Brother CS5055 caught my eye right away with its sleek design and impressive features. Priced at $134, it's positioned as a solid choice for both beginners and seasoned sewers. If you want a machine that makes threading a breeze, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The CS5055 offers 60 unique built-in stitches, including utility and decorative options. This variety gives you the freedom to tackle any project you have in mind. The improved needle threader and jam-resistant drop-in top bobbin are fantastic for beginners, ensuring your thread stays in place without hassle. Plus, with over 3,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear that people are finding value in it. Now, some people complained about the machine being a bit heavier at 10.5 pounds. Here's the thing though, while it might be less portable, that sturdiness can actually mean better stability when you're sewing, which is something I found reassuring during my use. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable machine that can handle a variety of projects. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra lightweight for travel. For the price, it definitely packs a punch. Now, if the weight of the CS5055 bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with portability in mind. Product number 2, Brother XM2701. Next up is the Brother XM2701, a lightweight machine that's perfect for everyday sewing tasks, and it comes with a price tag that's hard to beat. It's not listed, but it's incredibly budget-friendly and has been flying off the shelves with over 3,000 sold recently. If you want something compact yet capable, this is worth a serious look. The XM2701 features 27 built-in stitches, including decorative and stretch options, making it versatile for different sewing needs. The automatic needle threader is a lifesaver, especially if you've ever struggled with threading by hand. And the free arm design allows you to easily sew cuffs and pant legs. This machine is also backed by Brother's excellent customer support, which gives you peace of mind. However, some users mentioned that it can feel a bit limited for more advanced projects, but honestly, I think it's a great starter machine, and for beginners or casual sewers, it's more than enough. This is perfect for you if you're new to sewing or need a reliable machine for simple projects. Skip this one if you're a seasoned pro looking for advanced features. It's a fantastic value for anyone just starting out. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want more built-in features. Product number 3, Brother FB1757X. Coming in hot is the Brother FB1757X, which is priced at $85.66, making it one of the more affordable options on my list. Its simple design caught my attention, and if you're looking for something basic to get started, this is definitely worth a closer look. With 17 built-in stitches and a free arm for sewing, this machine provides enough variety for basic sewing tasks. The LED lighting is a nice touch, ensuring you can see what you're working on without straining your eyes. Plus, it's lightweight, making it easy to store or transport. It's great for new sewers who want something straightforward without all the bells and whistles. Now, some users complained about the limited stitch options. Here's the thing though, if you're just starting out, do you really need a machine with hundreds of stitches? For basic sewing and mending, this should serve you just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a beginner or just need a machine for simple repairs. Skip this one if you want advanced features or a wide variety of stitches. For the price, it's a solid choice. Now, if you need a bit more versatility, the next one on the list might be just what you're looking for. Product number 4, Brother XR9550.
Next up is the Brother XR9550, a fantastic sewing and quilting machine priced at $239.99. Honestly, this one surprised me with its extensive features and high-quality build. If you're serious about sewing or quilting, this is worth a serious look. This machine boasts a whopping 165 built-in stitches, including utility and decorative stitches, plus 8 styles of auto-sized buttonholes. The intuitive LCD display is a breeze to use, allowing you to select your stitches with just a push of a button. The wide table that comes with it is perfect for larger projects, and the automatic needle threader takes one more thing off your plate. However, some users have pointed out that it's a bit pricier than other options. Here's the thing though, with all the features and included accessories, you're really getting a lot of value here compared to lesser machines. It's a worthy investment if quilting or sewing is a serious hobby for you. This is perfect for you if you're an intermediate to advanced sewer looking for a machine that can grow with you. Skip this one if you're just sewing for fun occasionally. For the features, it offers a great return on investment. Now, if you want something that's still solid, but maybe a little more budget-friendly, the last one on my list might be right up your alley. Product number 5, Brother GX37. Finally, we have the Brother GX37, which costs around $134.98. This one caught my attention with its balance of features and affordability. If you're after a reliable machine without breaking the bank, this is worth considering. The GX37 features 37 built-in stitches and an automatic needle threader, which is a total win for those who dislike manual threading. The 6 included sewing feet expand its capabilities, allowing you to tackle a variety of projects, from basic sewing to quilting. Plus, the free arm is great for those tricky areas like sleeves or pant legs. However, some might find that 37 stitches just aren't enough for more complex projects. But here's my perspective. For most everyday sewing tasks, that's plenty, especially if you're a beginner or casual sewer. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable and versatile sewing machine for everyday use. Skip this one if you're a pro who needs extensive stitch options. It's a great value for the features it provides. So to wrap it up, we covered the Brother CS5055, XM2701, FB1757X, XR9550, and GX37. Each of these machines has its strengths, whether you need tons of stitches, a lightweight model, or something budget-friendly. Hopefully, this helps you find the perfect self-threading sewing machine for your needs.